very good medicines for keeping health in a good condition, sir.
Okay, what medicine you?
I always keep smiling.
Oh, okay.
Number one. Number two, I will be always active by working. Then I don't think anything. No tension, no worry, no stress. Then I always think about the good things. I always try to do good things only. So then, why should I bother? About the medicines? These are the best medicines for keeping good health.
Yeah.
You know, every smile, it increases 5 minutes of our life. How you know?
Yeah.
Whenever we smile, our living cells inside our body, they get enlarged or grow in multiples. Thereby, we will get 5 minutes of extra life. Suppose if you shout on someone, if you get angry, you know, the living cells inside our body, they get crushed, they die. You know, you just imagine when you get angry, you know, your all muscles will get shrinked. And you will lose peace of mind. Thereby, 5 minutes of your life will be reduced. So it is left to the individual concerned to increase his life or decrease his life. You know, some Mahatma has given description for anger. What is anger?
What is anger?
Anger, it is a kind of punishment which you are giving to yourself for somebody else's mistake. See, you are getting angry, suppose if somebody makes a mistake. If you are getting angry, it is a loss for you only. You are losing your peace of mind, you are losing 5 minutes of your life. Everything is lost for you. That is a kind of punishment which you are giving to yourself for somebody else's mistake. Right?
Yeah.
So why should you get angry? I have few strengths in me. I am very honest, sincere, hardworking, having almost 100% patience. No worries, no tension, no stress. I don't get angry. I always tend to forgive if somebody makes a mistake. Okay.
That is good. You need to do that. Otherwise,
I don't hate anyone. I eat little. On time I will sleep. On time I will eat. I won't take any food, outside food, including coffee or tea. I don't think coffee or tea at all. Okay, all.
Why coffee tea not good, is it?
Coffee tea we don't prepare at all at home. I have no habit, but if somebody offers me, or at times if I feel like taking coffee or tea, anything I can take. I am not habituated to any drink. I am a simple and contented person. God has given me everything, sir. Good house, good wife, good son, good job, good health, everything. I have promised myself not to meet the doctor for in my lifetime.
Wow.
66 years I've maintained. But I am having a strong willpower, high immunity. With everything, I can say that I will never meet a doctor.
Wow.
You know, every ill has a pill, but every pill will be followed by an ill.
Yeah. True.
Then, I am a workaholic person. I cannot sit at home. I always love to do my job. But with restrictions. Say 8 hours. That's it. And normally, doctors advise, you have to undergo 6 months once, or once in 6 months, or once in a year. You have to go for health checkup. What my contention is that, with my understanding, if you are enthusiastic to work, your enthusiasm itself indicates that you are very healthy. You need not have to go for any health check.
Wow. True.
If you are unhealthy, if you are not keeping good, you won't feel like working. You won't be enthusiastic to work. So when you are enthusiastic to work, it is understood that you are healthy. Then you need not have to go for any
health check.
But only thing is, they should realize, sir.
That is true.
Am I right, sir?
Very good. Good thought.
keep smiling always. Don't shout on anyone. Don't get angry. Don't hate. Try to love everyone.
Right.
Once they sit on this driver's seat, they should understand they are in the service field. So they have to give good service in all respects. That is keeping the vehicle clean, keeping the vehicle condition, keeping the vehicle in a good condition, and talking to the customer politely. All those things will be there. They have to understand that.
So where you were working as stenographer?
Sir, I was working in many private companies. Started with Avon Plast, that is a brand name. Avon Industries, it's PVC conduits and water pipes, and they are pioneers in plastics. Along with that, they had some subsidiaries manufacturing blow molding bottles, HMHDV, film and bags, then polypropylene box trappings, like that. So many products, plastics only. Then my last employment was with Hot Incinerators India Private Limited. The incinerator, it is a waste burning machine. They are the fabricators. I worked there for nearly 10 years.
Wow.
Then due to the technology, my profession has become outdated. My main responsibility was communication. Right. But nowadays, no one needs an assistant for communication. So likewise, I myself took voluntary retirement. Instead of they telling me to go out. Okay, in private companies, they can just like that tell, okay, this month after salary you can make your own arrangements for your future. Like that, there are so many instances. So I was not interested to face that. So I myself resigned and got retirement on 31st December 2010. And from 1/1/2011, I started holding the steering.
Wow.
And I am not greedy of money. I don't work for long more hours. See, I start early morning 4 o'clock due to this Bangalore traffic. Okay. Then I wind up at 1 o'clock. Okay, we'll go like this. See, I was about to turn right side only because that fellow came suddenly.
But you should not go wrong side. No?
And when we are making a mistake or when we are going a wrong side, we should be very careful. That is the problem. Only thing is we have to take care. In hotel management, he was in Taj Hotel, Vivanta by Taj Yashwantpur for 3 years. And he was in an American cruise for 1 year. A luxury passenger ship which goes around the world. And recently he got an appointment in Dallas, a place called Plano, where an Indian restaurant is there, called what is it called? Spice Rack. It is the restaurant's name. It's a very big restaurant with a banquet hall and all.
Where? Which country?
That is US. US, Texas state. Dallas is the place. In Dallas, there is a place called Plano. Plano. In that restaurant is there. He is working there.
Very good. So how much this is equal to your earlier salary doing this Uber, Ola Uber?
Not Ola Uber. This is I am working only for Ola. I will not work for Uber.
Acha, why?
See, I am comfortable with Ola.
Okay.
Okay, I told you I am not a greedy person. I also care very much for my health. I work from 4 o'clock in the morning till only 1 o'clock in the afternoon.
Oh, nice.
After that, I will take rest.
Okay.
Then what I was getting as a white collared job, I am getting 3 times more than that.
Oh wow, okay. That's good.
Sir, with this 8 hours duty, from 4 o'clock till 12 o'clock, I am earning a minimum of 2,000 rupees per day.
Okay.
I
wow.
work all the 365 days. I needed to take leave for taking rest because from 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock I will be taking rest only. Okay. So I don't need any holiday or half or something like that. I work all the 365 days. Then it comes to 60,000 rupees per month.
Wow.
With all the incentives and all, it will be little more only. But minimum, I am telling you, 60,000 rupees I can earn every day, every month.
Very good.
Excluding all expenses.
Oh, excluding is wow.
Yeah.
Okay. Very good. Very true. You should give some lessons to other taxi drivers also.
Lesson.
Tell them how to think, how to be in life.
There are drivers, you know, they themselves are not clean. They don't keep the vehicle clean, and they will be very adamant in nature. We can't change them. Okay, we cannot change others, but we can change ourselves. So at least by seeing us, they may turn. I'll keep telling everyone about my routine, about my character, about my what I am doing. But they should realize that. I will try to inspire everyone, but that is my responsibility. I will be very happy that I am inspiring everyone. Suppose if somebody doesn't get inspired, I am not bothered because I don't want to lose my peace of mind.
You are inspiring me.
I am using very good medicines for keeping health in a good conditions.
Okay, what medicine you are?
I always keep smiling.
Oh, okay.
Number one. Number two, I will be always active by working. Then I don't think anything. No tension, no worry, no stress. Then I always think about the good things. I always try to do good things only. So then why should I bother? Why should I bother about the medicines? These are the best medicines for keeping good health. You know, every smile, it increases 5 minutes of our life. How you know? Whenever we smile, our living cells inside our body, they get enlarged or grow in multiples. Thereby we will get 5 minutes of extra life. Suppose if you shout on someone, if you get angry, you know, the living cells inside our body, they get crushed, they die. You know, you just imagine when you get angry, you know, your all muscles will get shrinked. And you will lose peace of mind. Thereby 5 minutes of your life will be reduced. So it is left to the individual concerned to increase his life or decrease his life. You know, some Mahatma has given description for anger. What is anger?
What is anger?
Anger, it is a kind of punishment which you are giving to yourself for somebody else's mistake. See, you are getting angry. Suppose if somebody makes a mistake, if you are getting angry, it is a loss for you only. You are losing your peace of mind. You are losing 5 minutes of your life. Everything is lost for you. That is a kind of punishment which you are giving to yourself for somebody else's mistake. Right? So why should you get angry? That is why don't get angry. It is very easy to say. I can say don't get angry, but for you can say, how can I spontaneously it comes? How do I control? There is one tips for that. See, it is not possible to restrict yourself by getting angry. Okay, sometimes spontaneously you will get angry, but keep it in mind. Whenever you get angry, just say this word: I should not have got angry. I should not have got angry. So you repeat this. Whenever you get angry, you repeat this. Over a period of time, you will never get angry. So before getting angry, you will think that word. Why should I get angry? No, let me not get angry. That will come to your mind. That I have achieved it.
Very good.
You just imagine, once you think yourself, when you get angry, you just imagine the situation. Your face will be very ugly to look.
Yeah.
Is it? Then your mind will be under tense. And you know, you will be, your body will get somewhat irritated by your action, by getting angry. You just imagine, or not imagine, you just watch when you get angry. Keep this in mind. Next time when you get angry, you just read the body language of your own body language. How it will be. Respect your wife. See, obeying in the sense whatever she tells, we need not have to obey. We should analyze what she is telling is correct or not. So, if she is in a positive direction, just obey her.
No, but respect, everybody should be respected. See, we are all doing things, positive things. So I also respect you. I think that you are doing such a, keeping your taxi clean. You are like Krishna. Any cab driver is like Krishna.
Sarathi.
Yeah, Sarathi. So you are like for this journey. This is like life's journey. This is also like one of. So you are also like for this short journey of my life. You are like my Krishna.
You think that you are Arjuna, I am Krishna, and Partha. Partha means Arjuna. Partha Sarathi.
Yeah. So I have respect, lot of respect for every.
Sometimes we also call Krishna. He was also doing some driver's job. Krishna was also doing some driver's job.
Yeah, of course.
He was the driver to Arjuna.
Yeah. No, driver is nothing wrong in driver. It is you are taking somebody in a direction. Even God is driver.
To the right direction, to the right location.
Yeah.
So Krishna was also doing like that.
God is also driver only, na?
That is the Marriott Hotel.